A quick update on Stronghold here. So, if we draw a tiny fib on Stronghold from the low to the high, where we had the head and shoulders pattern here, we broke that neckline. We've been breaking down ever since. You can see low to the high, we're down below the 786 at 46. And as long as we're below that, which we were back here also, we tried to bounce, but ultimately we're back below. So, not the greatest look here for Stronghold. So, that could tell us we're coming down to that 382 and we're about to drop 20% here down to that 0035 level. So, just keep that in mind. Let me get that off of the chart. This is the 382 I'm talking about. Once we broke down below that 236, that was support inside of that bearish pattern here. So, look for a 20% drop to come here in my opinion, on Stronghold. Now let's bring back up the fib we've been watching on the chart. Let's clean this up a little bit. Let's move this. Let's get the right tool out here. And we're going to get the other fib off. There we go. So that 382 matches right up here with that 618, or the 1618 rather. So there is double fib levels here. So we do have confluence for support. So maybe we come down here and we hold and we remain bullish on the macro scale. We just go sideways for a little bit and then we go back up. We could also be in store, I would say, for a deeper retracement to where we come down to past the 382, maybe to the zero point 0.5 to the 618 down here, and then we go back up at some point, because I will let you guys know and take note of, there is a large gap down here with this candle that never got filled. So the price could very well come back down to these levels, like I said, fill that gap, and then go back up. So we'll take it, week to week here on Stronghold to see what happens. But as of right now, as long as you're below 4.6, look for 3.4. If you get any kind of momentum going back up, you have to get back over 4.6 here. And then ultimately, this red line here, which was the smaller fib here at about 6.0. You can see that's at 0059. Pretty much 6.0 would be your price to beat after 4.6 here. And then we'll get that momentum going on Stronghold here. Also, notice the weekly stock RSI just curled back down with a bearish cross here. So there is no momentum on Stronghold right now. I would just take these prices as buying opportunities wherever it's going to land at, because it will go back up at some point. And you can also see on the screen we do have the almost 27x on this thing from last October. So you already had a very large move on this thing. And if there's more room to grow, then of course we're just going to go by the price today at 0043. And if you're super bullish, the top of the fib here at 16.5, 16 and a half pennies is going to get you up to a $980 million market cap and about a 38x on your investment from today. That will change, of course, if it comes down more. Now, if it's only going to hit the 3618 here, this is new on the chart, the 6.6 pennies there, then you're looking at a 382 million market cap on Stronghold this cycle and about a 15x. So what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.